Guys, so this is gonna be a short video, and yeah, so I found the supercharged tree. Here it is in front of my eyes. Thunderstruck coastal redwood. Let's see what it gives to us. If there was background noise, sorry for that. I was not really planning to record today, or I mean now. I actually came across this thing, so I really wanted to record it. So here I am. This is really gonna be a short video. So I kept my axe and other things and got my pickaxe and came to the tribal village to mine. Then I came across the supercharged tree. Then I went to the bank, got the axe, and no one actually found it. So here it is, guys. The supercharged tree. Here it is. The thunderstruck log. There's only a rare chance of finding this, guys. So I'm lucky. Oh my god! One of these things is $2,000. Holy! One of its logs is 2,000. Ultra rare energized log used in complex construction. 2,000. I'm gonna sell it. Ouch. I should not die. Oh no, the train. Oh no, the robber. It's so much of money. I'm carrying $2,000 worth of a log. Holy. Guys, this is not a clickbait. For real. I did not do anything. I was so lucky I found it. Am I the first person to actually find it? Boom! 2,000. It actually gave me a lot of money. It actually gave me 2,000. Now I need once I get both the guns, I'll make a video on it. I need to find more of those things. I need to yeah. So that's it gonna be for this video, guys. Sorry, it was a short one. See you tomorrow. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos. See ya.